Hello, welcome to Hidden Gems. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Cincom Smalltalk product manager. Hidden Gems is where we show you capabilities of the product that you may not be aware of, but we think you will benefit from. Any questions, comments, feedback, please send them to myself, Arden Thomas, at athomas@cincom.com. So today's Hidden Gems is going to be showing you some COVID-19 data visualization demos that come for you already built in our ObjectStudio product. ObjectStudio shares a large amount of code, a foundation with VisualWorks. ObjectStudio is Windows focused. It uses native widgets and also has a framework called the Next Generation User Interface, or NGUI. That's used for these visualizations. You can find these demos in any ObjectStudio 9.1 forward. So let's get started. First, open up ObjectStudio. I have it running right here. Go to System, load parcels named, and start to type in COVID until you see what you want. Click OK. That loads the demo parcels. Let's go to a class browser, find that parcel, and right down here you can see you need to run this initialize data. We'll right-click and do a do it before you run the demonstrations. This also gives you some information about that right here. So once that is loaded and initialized, come back here to the launcher, click on Controllers, and click on COVID-19 Data Visualizations. Let's take a look at some of the demos right here. COVID Daily Data Lines. You can select that, click on it, left-click, right-click, and choose Open. This will give you, if you select something in the list of all the countries on the left-hand side, that shows new cases, new deaths, new recoveries in line graphs right here. And you can go down through or simply type the name, the first letter of a country to find that, and you can go through those and see the data there. A lot of this data isn't up to today. This was when this was packaged for the product. What else? COVID all countries total data. Let's check that out. Left click, right click, and open. Here we have a summary for each country with data right here. It's basically a table layout to see this information. COVID all countries details by date. Right click, open that. Available countries. So in this pull down right here, I can choose a country, and I can scroll down through and see day by day all the information available in this format. COVID two-country case comparison. This one is interesting. Let's right-click and open that. I can choose two countries. So let's choose the U.S. Second country, we could choose another, say, large country, India, and start after the first, I think this is 5 million cases, and then list. And it gives us the table information right here. And it gives that information graphically right here. And again, this uses native widgets in Windows using the Next Generation User Interface. So I wanted to show you where you could find these. And again, you can go right to the browser, right to this package, and find all the classes right here in this bundle and these packages right here. Any questions? feedback, please send them to athomas@cincom.com. And until next time, have a great time with Cincom Smalltalk. Thank you.